Lucifer tree, that didn't went. God came direct, but we go to Lucifer tree.
जी
No.
तो ये दोबारा एक्सप्लेन कर दीजिएगा जो अभी आपने कहा।
So universal darkness, universal light was behind him. Tornado was behind him, but he was walking. But there was like a cloud of raining, and small raining was, and but they was behind. But when God came here, this black hole, this blue and golden and this, they make more distance, and tornado make more distance,
वाह,
and then God came along.
वाह,
ऐसे बादल फिर भी आएंगे,
वाह,
लेकिन ऐसी बरसात फिर नहीं।
वैसा, वाह।
अच्छा, खुदा ऐसे ही है
जी
अंदर। मैं आपको थोड़ा सा अबलीस कहाँ पे इंतजार करता था,
जी
अब मैं इधर।
जी
ये तस्वीर बना, वीडियो कैमरा ऑन।
वीडियो कैमरा होना चाहिए।
यहाँ पे अबलीस बैठता था,
जी
अब ये दरख्त अबलीस का है।
अच्छा जी
ये
ये
अब
वाला
उजड़ गया।
सूखा पड़ा है ये वाला।
Yeah. Now it became dry, but that time it was very big. And when he was saying, I'm sitting and waiting, what kind of revelation God could not reveal to you. Yeah. If you look very carefully, still you can see over one hand, like he bringing hand up. But few branches, very strong,
जी
fell from.
हाँ,
And the day he gave up against God, this day this tree became fresh.
वाह,
इधर से बेटा तस्वीर नहीं है।
जी
देख,
ये तस्वीर है। वाह
इसके बहुत से तने थे।
जी
मैं उधर बैठता था, मैं थोड़ा बताता हूँ,
जी
इंतजार करता था खुदा का, ये इधर बैठता।
वाह
If you go more near tree and touch,
जी
you will feel the vibration.
ओह कहाँ से जी इधर से?
Yeah,
You wanna go and touch? You wanna go and wanna touch the tree?
Yes.
Should we go this
You
way?
can go.
जी
I'm standing there.
जी जी
Oh, look at this. That's the easiest way.
This is
Open this door. History. Deep.
That's a massive tree. Yes. ये दोबारा बताइए कि क्या है?
Mostly we walk night time. दूसरा, sometimes we also go sitting here. And mostly he sit on there. But the day God came, he gone. Every fallen evil spirit. And this was too much. Golden fire was coming like it. Will burn everything. Okay. So, okay, this was like this. No?
Yeah.
That's the original. Huh?
Yeah.
That's the original.
What is it?
And if you see him, his tallness, I can show you. His tallness is, he can be very long. So when he lay down, yeah, he becomes slange. Very, oh, you see his face is, you cannot have. So one time, destroy my belief. Yeah, because God say, heaven you make a circle. And he say, what do you think I cannot come in your circle? I says, that's what God in heaven. This day, Julian, he came inside. He break the circle. and he hold me like he pull me out.
Right.
Yes. When he pulled me out from the circle, I look at and I saw fire was coming.
Wow.
And he looked at like this.
Mm.
And then he left me. When the fire came, जैसे कुरान में लिखा हुआ है, हम इन पे वो भेजेंगे.
जी
क्या है वो?
शहाब साकब.
Shahab Sakar. Then from golden fire was coming and hit him. And went douche. And then he was a many years so injured he could not do anything. You hear me? So this moment I saw. And he pulled me out. He was bringing me here. And I say I look at heaven. And I wanted to say, God, he got me. God was saying he cannot come inside. And then, same moment, while he was holding me like a cat hold the rat actually, he looked at like this. And then he left me. क्या बताऊँ? And until he went there, so many VIs, like atomic radiation. He was many years. He needed healing actually. Yes. After this, he did not do anything. Something like this. So I thought better I tell you. I did not mention you before.
Yes.
That's why what I want to say to you, he destroyed the belief of Sufi, destroyed the belief of Guru, destroyed the belief of Buddhists, destroyed the belief of Prophet, and he destroyed the belief of Messiah. They never thought. I tell you, history is hidden. Jesus' 12 followers, and Jesus was believing that Lucifer cannot touch even God's son.
जी
देखा? खुदा के बेटे को छू भी नहीं सकता. This was their belief. And Jesus was saying, if he touch Lucifer, there will be 12 Tumen. 12 Tumen is, there will be special angel will come and teach him lesson. This was the belief of Jesus. And what he did? He came in the darkness. What he did? He destroyed his belief now when he said,
Yep.
oh God, you also left me. God was not there. He came. So, out of imagination that there were Sufis and Buddhists or Prophet and Messiah, they thought they are proud on God. That's what cannot take place. He did with Messiah, Jesus.
Right.
I'm only honest. I'm telling you. Jesus did not say that he saw the Satan and God was not there. You got it?
जी
So, अब हम दूसरी तरफ चलते हैं.
जी